Hi, I'm Federico from VisionTech, and today I want to talk to you about the Vision T welded polyurethane dowels for tooth belts. The Vision T dowels are applied through molecular fusion on polyurethane tooth belts for the synchronous conveying of products, and they are namely used on automatic packaging machines. The Vision T range includes Vision TW, white UV resistant non-hygroscopic polyurethane dowels, Vision TF, blue food safe polyurethane dowels, Vision TE, dowels in grey polyurethane that can be detected by metal detectors, Vision TN, neutral polyurethane dowels, Vision TE, black polyurethane dowels, Vision TEF, polyurethane dowels for small diameters for the TV10 tooth pitch. They are also available in a dual material version with either certain types of rubber or expandable materials. The production of Vision T dowels is very versatile, so you can create an infinite number of geometrical shapes. The polymers that are used can be certified for direct contact with food. The colours of the dowels accentuate the contrast with the conveyed product for greater visibility. Availability of various 3D design shapes already available in the catalogue, so they can be applied without having to be designed first. Maximum hold guaranteed by a molecular welding technology. As well as traditional welding, it is possible to screw Visionublox dowels onto the belt using the Visionuscent fake teeth. The Vision T dowels are widely used in the packaging sector, but they can also be used in the following sectors: the transportation of metals, woodwork, and the processing of plastics, as well as the manufacturing of metal sheets and industrial automation. For more information, please visit our website vision-tech.it. Thank you and see you soon.